Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, Justin Bieber. You heard of him before? I guess so. This one is called Beautiful Love. So we have 4 chords, not 3, 4 chords going in the same order through the entire song with one strumming pattern. So this one will be a quick one. Let's start, no need for any cape on this one. We have the first chord, which will be technically a G6 chord or so. It's the third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. Like that. And the next chord will be E minor 7. So just keep one of them there on the second A string. The rest of the strings are open. So open strings except from the second A. That's the E minor 7. Then we have a clean D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is B minor 7. You need a bar here on the second fret. And that is from A string and down, 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. So there you have the 4 chords in that order: G6, E minor, the D, and the B minor. And yeah, what about the strumming? Let's take this G6 as an example. That's the first chord. One round will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. That is one round. You will play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 G, 2 E minor, 2 D, 2 B minor. And that is what the song is all about. I'm going to give you a couple of rounds and we're going to end with that. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope this was helpful. And yeah, I'm going to sign out with Play Tuned on Beautiful Love.